Hello friends, day 50, and what a difference to yesterday. Well, for a start, yesterday my stomach could have provided a Foley soundtrack for a St. Trinian's movie set in a chemistry lab. Anyway, the other strange thing about yesterday was that I didn't meet anybody at all. I think that's probably the first day on this entire trip when that's happened, so that was very strange. But today, back to normal. Met lots of people, lots of lovely people to chat with. And the first person I met this morning was the wife of the husband and wife team that I keep bumping into. So they have a camper van and they drive to the end of their day's walk, and one gets out and starts walking, and the other one drives to the other end, gets out and starts walking, and they cross over in the middle and collect each other in the evening. So I've seen them about half a dozen times now, one or the other of them. So the day started with a little bit of a lie-in for me, listening to the curlews and the lapwings. I've never heard them before, but they're fascinating. They have these sort of plaintive cries, nature's version of Tinder. Look at me, please, no, look at me over here. And they dance around on the ground and fly around in the air trying to attract each other. Fascinating. I could watch them for ages. The other big thing about today is Hadrian's Wall. It's amazing. There's much more of it left than I thought there was. And in fact, I'm camped near it tonight, which you'll see in a minute. But yeah, brilliant day, feeling a whole lot better, and see you on the trail. If you've been watching these videos for a while, you will know I love a room with a view. And look what I've got tonight. Beautiful view all the way across there, and then on the other side, Hadrian's Wall. So I'm camped right next to Hadrian's Wall. This guy didn't seem too keen on sharing his field, so I moved on.